I have here a transformer with 400 turns and 5.92 volts on the primary coil. In an ideal transformer, the turn ratio is equal to the voltage ratio. However, due to energy losses in the real world, we must also consider efficiency, which for this transformer is around 83%. Starting with the same amount of turns on the secondary, we expect the same voltage, or around 83% of it due to losses. Instead, the voltage is much lower. This is because the iron core is incomplete, drastically reducing the transmission of magnetic flux. Adding the missing piece, we get a much better voltage of 4.92 volts. Halving the turns roughly halves this voltage, doubling it roughly doubles it, 4 times gives roughly 4 times, and 8 times roughly 8 times. While converting 5.92 volts into 38.5 volts might initially appear to violate energy conservation, the trade-off is less current. It's like cutting a pizza into 4 pieces instead of 8. Sure, the slices are bigger, but you've got less of them, so it ends up being the same amount of pizza.